Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Wireshark 4.4.2 on Windows 11 operating system. It is the latest version at the time of making this video. And the installation process is same on all Windows operating system. Go to Wireshark official website, that is wireshark.org. See, it is the world's most popular network protocol analyzer. Okay, click on download. See here, we have the stable release 4.4.2. If you want older stable release, you have to click on this 4.2.9. Okay, so for Windows, you have to click on this Windows x64 installer. Click on it. See, once you click done, it started downloading. Go to download. See here, its size is 83 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Click on this Wireshark 4.4.2 exe file. Click on it. Click on next. See, this is the license agreement. So click on noted. Then click on next. And see here, we have to select the components Wireshark, T-Shark and ETW dump. These are by default selected. If you want to select like UDP dump or anything, you have to select the check boxes. It is up to you. Then click on next. If you want to create shortcuts for start menu item and desktop icon, you have to select these options. Okay, I don't want desktop, so click on next. It is up to you, and this will be the installation directory. Okay, if you want to change some other directory than this default one, you can click on this browse. Otherwise, if you are okay with this one, click on next. Click on next. If you want to install EVS PPCap, you have to select this one. It is up to you, so click on install. See, installation is in progress. See, installation complete. So click on next. If you want to see the release notes, you have to select the checkbox. Otherwise, click on finish. See, installation has been completed. Now go to start all applications. Go to the bottom. See here, we have the Wireshark. Click on it. Let us wait. See the version. Click on help, about help. See here, we have installed Wireshark version 4.4.2. See, if you want to capture packets, select any one of them. Suppose if you want to capture for this Wi-Fi, select it, and once you select it, see, this is highlighted. That is start capturing packets. If you click on it, see, it will capture. If you want to stop, click on stop. Okay, this is the way. Okay, you can go through the documentation and you can practice. Okay, this is the way to download and install Wireshark on Windows 11 operating system. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.